Hi everyone, in this video we will be unboxing and fixing and also demonstrating Vileda Steam Plus mop. The instruction guide is in at least 7 different languages, and now that we have unpacked it, let us assemble this steam mop. First, slide the handle into the main section of the appliance until it clicks into place. Next, slide the frame part into the main section of the appliance until it clicks into place. Then, place a cleaning pad on the floor with the velour facing up, then lightly press the appliance down onto the cleaning pad. Never use the appliance without first attaching a cleaning pad. Some safety measures which you can take is that make sure that the appliance is not plugged into the electrical socket and it is not in action while removing the cleaning pad. Wait also until the pad cools down before removing it. Remove the pad from the frame carefully, pulling the pad away with the hands. Hot water may drip out of the accessory parts while you are detaching them. Never detach accessory parts on the pad while the steam is steaming out because you can be scalded. This can be stored in a very compact way. The handle can be removed from the appliance for easy storage. These are the steps you have to follow. Start wrapping the cord around the upper and lower cord holder. Make sure there is additional cord available for pulling out the handle. Please use the sticker as the reference for the first loop. I somehow misplaced that footage, but there is a small little red sticker on the wire. It must be at the position of the upper cord holder. Then press the tube, release the button placed on back of the appliance and pull the handle out of the main appliance section. After that, slide the upper cord holder of the handle into the bottom of the back of the appliance. Now let's start the appliance. First, fill the tank with the clean tap water or distilled water. Do not add any detergent into the clean mop. Remove the water tank cap by turning it anti-clockwise. Then fill the water until the tank is visibly full. Do not fill the tank above the maximum capacity. Fit the filter cap by turning it firmly in the clockwise direction. Insert the plug into the socket. Then turn the rotary button placed on the front side of the appliance to the on position. The Vileda Steam Plus will start heating up the water inside the tank. The LED on the front side will be blinking. This means that the appliance is now heating up the water. It takes about 15 seconds for the water inside to produce the heat, and when it is ready, the white LED will be steady. Regulate the desired volume of steam using the selector switch. Turn the unit off by turning the rotatory button to off position. Disconnect from the plug and then store as explained before. Now we will demonstrate how to use the carpet glider. Place the cleaning pad on the floor with the velour side facing up. Then lightly press the appliance down onto the cleaning pad. Then place the carpet glider accessory under the appliance frame. Gently push the appliance down onto the carpet glider accessory to attach it to the frame. Be sure to follow the procedure of filling the tank and all the operational procedures as mentioned before. First, you'll have to clean the carpet thoroughly by vacuuming and then use the steam mop. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.